different projects recently, and as you know, I love working with repurposed materials. The beauty of that is that I often discover new materials which lead to new ideas and so on and so forth. And I recently came across some wasp nests, and I just found them fascinating. And in a free moment, I really just looked into them, and the name Wasper Gropius came to mind, a German-born American architect who directed the Bauhaus throughout the 1920s. In an article by H.F. Cooper, excerpt, he saw architecture and design as ever-changing, always related to the contemporary world. He spoke of the architect's duty to encompass the total visual environment. So this whole thing relating the design of the wasp nest to that movement, to that train of thought, it was just an interesting parallel. But these are paper wasp nests that they're made from the fibers that wasps scrape off from old wood, fences, and trees. So they chew up these fibers and mix it with their saliva to form this pulp, and they then use the pulp to make these hexagonal structures or cells. They're hexagonal cells. And what's great about it for them, that as the colony grows, these cells, this process allows them to build and expand the structure itself. So scary, but it's also pretty fascinating. That's all I have for you today. I hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful rest of your week, and be well. Bye.